Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have NEFFEX here. He's back with a song called Find My Way Out. Okay, so NEFFEX always welcomed here. Let's take a look at this great song, and we don't need any capo for this one, and it's based upon 3 different chords. Let's take a look at the A minor, G, and F. So let's start first here with the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And we have F and 2 different variations of it. One when we just play the strumming pattern, which we're going to look at, and the second one is more used when you try to get the pickings there right. So the first one, the bar chord for strumming, it's a bar placed on the first fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. That's the full F chord here with the bar. Now if you're gonna pick this, it's easier to go with the shorter version of it. So that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and then you can have the open E or first E. It's up to you, but anyway, when you're gonna pick this, it's a good starting point with open E, and then you can pick on the string E there what you need. So that is the shorter version of it. We're gonna take a look now at the melody. All right, so the chord progression goes in A minor, G, F, and then back to G. Okay, so that's how it goes through the entire song. So we're gonna take a look at the melody now, chord by chord, starting with the A minor. So the melody goes for A minor, and you can always add the bass notes till every chord narrows. So if you're gonna start now with A minor, the bass note is the open A. So if you pick that together with the first note, okay, so then melody goes on the E string, 3rd fret, then 1st fret, and then open. Okay, then we'll go into the G chord now. It sounds like this. So you add the bass note to the first note if you wish, the 3rd fret E string, this one, but the melody goes here on 1st fret E on top, then open E, then 3rd B. Okay, then we have the F now. We have this melody over 2 rounds because there's slightly differences there from the first round to the second round in this F and G chord, the last 2 chords now. So the first round of F goes like this. Okay, so that is 1st fret B string. If you want to add the bass note, it's on the 3rd fret D. This one is the bass note, 3rd fret D, and the 1st fret B string, that's where the melody starts. So you start with 2 times on the B string, and then another time on B string, and then 1st fret E string. And then you finally play the open E. So the melody goes on 1st fret B string 2 times first, quickly. And then you have another time on the 1st fret B string, 1st E, and then open E. Okay? And then you're gonna switch to the G now, and you have the exact same melody notes there on G, just a different bass note. The bass note now is back to the 3rd fret E string, and you combine that with the same notes, it sounds like that. Okay, so it's 1st fret B 2 times, and again 1st fret B, 1st E, and open E. Okay, so that's the first round. The second round, you're gonna play exactly the same for the first two chords, the A minor and G. So, and then comes this second round of the F and G. It starts in the same way, so you have the 3 times on the first fret B string, they are the same. And then instead of going down to the first fret E string, you now play the 3rd fret B string. So that's the only difference there, that note, okay? So instead of first E, you go to the 3rd B string. And then you finally play the same open E string there. That's the F part, and the G part is exactly the same. Starts with the 3 times on first fret B string. And now you go to the 3rd B string instead of going down to first E. You go out here. And you end in the same way with the open E string. So that's 2 rounds of the melody. The only difference is one single note there. Instead of going first E, you go out to the 3rd B. That's the only difference for the last 2 chords. So that's the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We have the A minor, G, F, and G still, of course. So grab the A minor, that's the first chord. And one string around will be like this. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. All right, so a couple rounds of it to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play one string around per chord, so that gives us A minor, 1, G1, F1, and G1, like this. So on. You have now all the tools you need and want and to do this song here. You can play the melody now combined with some strumming there. And when you play the melody, there are no pretty rules like that. You're gonna hold like this, or you just have to find your way like I did. I showed you in the introduction of the tutorial. I can show a couple of rounds of how it could sound to combine the melody with the strumming. And yeah, let's go. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, as soon as you get comfortable with the melody and the strumming, then you can start to build this song up if you wish. NEFFEX, Find My Way Out. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. And if you did, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and I'd love all your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.